Twinkle little star, how I wonder what you are. Oh, above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Hello, friends. Welcome to another fantastic class at Edulab360. And you remember, my name is Miss Oiko. I'm sure my friends are wondering, what does Miss Oiko have with her today? I know some of my friends have seen this before, and some are wondering what this is all about. Don't worry, I'm going to tell you pretty soon. But before I tell you what this is all about, I will tell you a story. Remember, every class begins with an interesting story. So it was a sunny afternoon. Tattoo and Ziba were coming from school. Tattoo and Ziba were coming from school, but they saw so many children gathered around the table, and they were wondering, what's going on at the table? Why do we have so many children gathered around? They moved closer to find out. Did you know what they saw? They saw some children playing tennis. They were playing tennis. And these are the things used in playing tennis. This is a ball and this is a racket. Everybody say racket. Everybody say racket. Racket. And this is a ball. So they saw some children playing tennis. Every time the racket hits the ball, it makes the sound t. Every time the racket hits the ball, it made the sound t, 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 t. And for the people to see what was going on, they had to move their head from side to side, side to side. And the racket went on making the sound t. Everybody move your head from side to side and let's make the sound together. Great job! You are fantastic! What sound is this, everybody? Again, 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 again. Now I want my friends to move their head from side to side and make the sound. Now let's move our head from side to side and make the sound together. Great job! You are amazing! And guess what, friends? Just like every other sound, the letter sound has a song. And I'm going to teach you the song. Listen attentively, okay? Let's sing together. When I watch the tennis game, when I watch the tennis game, my head goes back and forth. When I watch the tennis game, when I watch the tennis game, my head goes back and forth. Great job. Great job. Well done. And we sing it together. 1, 2, 3, sing. When I watch the tennis game, when I watch the tennis game, my head goes back and forth. Great job. There are so many things that begins with the letter sound, okay? So many things. And one of the things that begins with the letter sound is 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! It's a tiger. Tiger. A tiger is a wild animal and it lives in the forest. Wild animals live in the forest. And the beginning sound in tiger is t. Can I hear you make the sound? T. Again. T. Again. T. One last time with your super voices. Great job. Give your brain the smart kiss. Mwah! For the brain. You are so smart. As in tiger. As in tiger. As in 10. 10. Number 10. As in 10. As in 10. Number 10. As in 10. 10. Number 10. Great job. As in Temi. Temi is a name of a person and it begins with the letter sound. As in Temi. As in Chokpe. Tokpe. Temi Tokpe. Great job. Well done. As in Tokpe. As in 10. As in tiger. Tiger. As in tennis. The tennis game. The game where we use the ball and the racket. As in tennis. The game where we use the ball and the racket. This is a tennis ball. Not the ball we play on the floor. It's a tennis ball. And this is a racket. Great job. So let's learn to write the letter sounds. Let's learn to write the letter sounds. Okay, friends. You know what we do. Magic finger up, everybody. Shake it in the air and put it on your head. Magic finger on your head. Great job. Magic finger down. Put it on your shoulder. Shoulder. Great job. This is your shoulder. Everybody say shoulder. Great job. So let's learn to write the letter sound. We start at a point. Start at a point. Go down with a flick. Back halfway and a dash. Great job. That was very easy. Let's go again. We start at a point. Go down with a flick. Then you come halfway and you do a dash like a cross. Dash just like a cross. Well done. You are so smart. So now get your boards, get your papers, and let's write. Remember, you start at a point. Always start at a point, okay? You start at a point. You go down with a flick. You come right here and make a dash. Just like that. Very easy. Let's go again. You start at a point. You go down with a flick. You come right here and make a dash. Ah, great job. What sound is this, everybody? When I watch the tennis game. When I watch the tennis game, my head goes back and forth. Great job, friends. Give yourselves a superhero clap. Let's go. Roll it, roll it, roll it, and let it go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hero, you're a mega superstar. Yay! Well done, friends. So next we're going to learn to write some words. We're going to learn to write some words. You remember the letter sound we learned the last 2 times. So what sound is this, everybody? Great job. You were so smart. So I'll write that on my board. Thank you. Okay. What sound is this, everybody? What sound has this action? Great job. You were super smart. I'll write that next to it. Remember to write the letter sound R. We start at a point. We go round, back to the point. We go down with a flick. And the new sound we just learned. What sound has this action? Great job. So we write that next to it. Okay. Now let's blend. sat. Again. Sat. Everybody show me your blending instruments. Blending instruments out. Flap, 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 flap. Great job. Stop. And let's go. Let's blend. Sat. Again. Sat. Again. Sat. Great job. Let's see another word we can make with this sound. Let's see another word we can make out of this. At. Let's see. At. Do you want to try and blend that? Okay, let's blend together. At. I'm at home. Where's your pencil? My pencil is at school. At. So I want my friends to work together with their other friends and make more words. So come together in groups, talk about the letter sounds, and make as many words as possible from the letter sounds. I love you so much. See you next time. Bye-bye.